Welcome to the video tutorial about how to insert valves, crossing and general blocks in the water distribution module of ESurvey water software. You can insert additional blocks in the drawing by importing data from Excel or by entering each block information. 3 categories of blocks can be imported: valve details, crossing details, general blocks. Importing valve details. In Plan Details window, click Valves and Crossings button. In the window that opens, select the Valve Details tab. If you have the list containing data about all valves, crossings and block, you can copy and paste it from the Excel. Alternatively, you can click on the Insert button to insert rows to enter a list of valve details. In the Layer drop-down, select the position of the valve to be placed on the pipe. In Chainage, enter the chainage distance where the valve to be displayed. Next, in Valve Type, select Type of the valve to display. Click Save to save the details. In the next step, to import crossing details, select the next tab, that is, Crossing Details. You need to click on Insert button to insert rows to enter a list of crossing details. Enter the distance where the crossing is to be displayed. In Crossing Type drop-down, select the type of crossing to be displayed. Enter the width of crossing to scale the crossing block and save the details. In case, if the crossing details are available in CAD drawing, there is command in ESurvey water module for exporting crossing details from the drawing. This utility is useful when you need to make a list of crossings on each water network alignment. Run ECD command to select all water network layer alignment lines and then select all crossing utility layers entities. After executing ECD command, a CSV file will be saved in temporary directory. In the last tab, that is General Blocks, you can add additional blocks which are required for the presentation. Click the General Blocks tab and enter the required details for layer, chainage, description, profile block and plan block. Click Save to save the details. All these imported data will be considered for generating the drawings. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, you have learned how to insert valves, crossing and general blocks. In the next video, you will learn how to generate 3D drawing of designed water network.